Hello everyone, and welcome to the Storytime with Billy channel, with me, Billy. How are you? Good! I'm good as well, because today we are doing some fun with phonics! Woo-hoo! Are you ready? Fan-dabby-dozy! So far, we've looked at Phase 2 and Phase 3 of phonics, but today we're going to look at Phase 5. I'm so excited. Now, before we start today's lesson, I'm going to give you and your grown-ups some words that link to phonics that might help you to understand phonics a little bit better. Some of you may have heard these terms before, but if you haven't, that's okay. I'm here to tell you what they mean. So in phonics, you may have heard the word phoneme before. Now, phoneme is a sound that you might hear in a word. So, ah, or, oo. For example, there are many phonemes, but a grapheme is a letter or a sequence of letters that represents the phoneme. So for example, if we look at a sound from Phase 5, A and Y is the grapheme, the phoneme, the sound, A. Hang on a minute. I've heard this sound before, but the grapheme didn't look like that. Oh. What's this sound? It's A. But this is A as well. Ah. Now today we're going to learn that different graphemes can still make the same sound. So A and I and A and Y are both graphemes that make the phoneme A. 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 So, keep in mind when we look at some graphemes today that you might have seen the phoneme, the sound before. Okay, are you ready to learn some Phase 5 sounds? Super! Here we go. We'll start with the one that we've just looked at. A. Can you try? A. Super job. Ooh. It's stuck. Oh, thank goodness for that. E. You try. E. Ready? E. Super. Look at the grapheme. I. You try. I. One more time. I. Well done. What could this be? Shall we have a look? Ow! Oh, silly me. I'm not hurt again. Ow. Now, we've seen ow before when OW was the grapheme. This grapheme is OU. Ow. As in, shout! Ow. Ow. You try? Ow. Good job. Oi! Remember when we saw oi in Phase 3? We're going to see oi again now, but this time it's a different grapheme, but the same sound. O and Y. The grapheme, oi. The sound is oi. Oi. You try. Oi. As in, toy for a boy. Oi. You try. Ooh. You try. Ooh. Ooh. Good job, everybody. Or. You try. Or. Go on, do it again. Or. As in. Yawn at dawn. Dawn, the morning. Or. W. W. You try. W. As in w-e-n. When. This grapheme W and H makes the phoneme W. Good job, everyone. You try. Can you think of a word that has the PH grapheme in? Phonics, of course. Phonics. Phonics has the grapheme, which makes the phoneme. Good job, everyone. Ooh. You try. Ooh. When I see this grapheme, I think of being disgusted by something. Ooh. 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 Can you try? Ooh. I'll do that again so it was a bit clearer. I was going to get a bit carried away. Silly Billy. Ooh. Good job, everyone. Oh. You try. Oh. As in oh. Well done. Toe has the grapheme OE, which makes the sound O. Good job. Or. You try? Or. Well done, everyone. I know we've heard a few, and we've seen a few graphemes that make the sound or. This one is AU, or, as in autumn. Now, we're going to look at something a little bit more challenging now. Are you ready for a challenge? I thought you might be. Has anyone heard of a split digraph? Let's see if we can remember. What is a digraph? Amazing remembering, everybody. A digraph are two letters that make one sound. Super duper. But what do I mean by a split digraph? That seems a bit silly, doesn't it? Let me show you an example. Now I have the grapheme that makes the sound A here, but there's a gap in the middle. We've split it in half. So this split digraph, A, will have a letter in the middle, such as M, A, K, make. M, A, K, make. Make a cake. K, A, K. This split digraph is A. Can you try? A. Super duper. Ooh, these cards are getting stuck. There we go. E. It's another split digraph, such as the word these. These. I mean, these are my phonics cards. E. Another split digraph coming your way. Oh, well done. I can hear some of you say it. I. You try? I. As in nice. Nice. S-m-I-l. Smile. Nice smile. Like mine. And yours, I'm sure. I. You try? I. Another split digraph. Are you ready? O. O. As in own. Phone. Home. Home. E.T. phone home. Some of you might not get that reference. It's a brilliant film though. Oh. You try. Oh. You're doing a super job, everybody. Well done. I've got one more split digraph to show you and it's on the floor. I better pick it up. Help me. Oh. Oh my goodness, this was a naughty card. Oh. What could it be? Should we look? Ooh. As in ooge. Oh. Hooge? This could be you. Huge. Huge. You. You. You try? You. Huge. You. Good job, everyone. So thank you, everybody. That was our Phase 5 letters and sounds. A bit more challenging there. Perhaps we'll do another video where we can look at split digraphs in a bit more detail and see if you can spot some split digraphs in some words. Perhaps you have a book where you might find some split digraphs. Have a look at home and see if you can show me. Thank you so much for joining, everybody. There will be more fun with phonics coming on the way, so subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and let's become phonics superstars. Thank you, everyone. See you soon.